Well, Mr. Speaker, there are only 18 days left until the Department of Homeland Security runs out of money and shuts down on February 28. And the Republican leadership, unfortunately, are still wasting time of this body appealing to the extremists within their party rather than addressing these important challenges that our country faces. The Republicans' extreme anti-immigration DHS funding bill is dead on arrival in the Senate, as they know. Border security experts have referred to the bill as, quote, ineffective, unserious, dangerous for our nation's security. Instead of coming together with Democrats in a bipartisan fashion to address the DHS funding issue and ensure the security of American families, we continue to see the House squander time moving even further to the right and appease the most extreme voices. At some point in time, Mr. Speaker, we have to end the politics and get down to the business of the American people. Please, please join with Democrats and Republicans together to protect the American people, to fund the Department of Homeland Security immediately, and then we can focus on the middle-class economics that can create bigger paychecks for all Americans, build new infrastructure, and get back to the work of the American people. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Gentleman's time.